actually. Oh no, he got a check engine light. Alright, so today we're working on probably the worst car known to man. The car that started my YouTube channel like 10 years ago. What is it? It doesn't even have a badge on it because that's how bad it is. They didn't even want to put a badge on this car because it's so bad, bro.
Yeah, man, it's embarrassing.
Mr. Basil's 335i. Somebody was told he needs to tune the transmission before he gets pure turbos and a tune. But he likes slipping, so today we're gonna fix that.
We'll see if it fixes it. Hopefully it does.
It's gonna fix it. I told you just gotta tune the transmission out. So we're gonna put XHP flash on this car, and then we're gonna reflash MHD afterwards. Oh, this is the good one. Okay, so he has the good one. This one works on all of them, and they're fast. Where's your phone?
This is the one you right here versus the one she tells you not to worry about.
All right, so you're gonna make your little account.
You see, so it's gonna find the.
Well, you gotta connect the adapter first.
Yeah, of course. But still, aren't you gonna show it off in the video?
Yeah. So you put your little dingly dongle. The MHD one works.
It's the MHD one right here.
MHD man.
And then.
All right. Yeah, you put it in. I don't know what happened to your OBD2. That's
every E90, E92, that shit's broken. It's like
because they sit there and tune it too much every day.
No, exactly. Because you're unplugging it and kicking it. Dude, I have 2 covers for that thing. I have 2 covers. I don't know how, but it would help the fucking heat.
Yeah, and open your windows so we can stand outside while it does the tuning.
No copyright, no copyright. Okay, today, listen to my music.
Alright, so, no, did you connect it through Bluetooth first?
Is it Bluetooth?
So you gotta, yeah, you got...
Or Wi-Fi?
It's, one of them. Yeah, I think it's Wi-Fi, you're right. MHD can. Not MHD can't, it's MHD can.
MHD can 7364.
That's a can-do attitude right there. Retry it. Connecting, got your VIN. You gotta get out of the car. You don't want the door open when you do this. Let's see what it gets.
Okay, so map pack, and then I have to first get a flash license, redeem that.
Yeah, so you get the flash license.
Okay, and then flash license. Please redeem your flash license voucher code. I don't have a voucher code.
Okay, so you gotta buy it. I think you gotta get it online.
So I want to get. I don't need the. Or should I get the map pack or?
You have to get the map pack and the flashing license.
So the full one right here, like full combo for 244, or the TCU flash license. There's 2 options. Which one do you recommend? Customer's favorite. Let's go for that one.
I think you have to get them both.
Combination of XHP flash license and map pack. I won't risk it. 6-speed.
Yeah.
Right for this.
I might have it on my account, by the way. So you might just need the map pack. Because I did it on my 335 years ago. I don't know if it still works.
Let's not take any risks.
Okay.
And let's just buy it. You know, we're gonna send the whole thing.
This man got his paycheck today. He said.
Not today, bro. Last week.
He said, I'm ready to spend.
I'm always ready to spend for my baby. Apple Pay, very convenient. Gotta get the points. Pay in full or pay later?
You can pay later.
Dude,
on a map?
Oh, it's not available. I think it's like if you have the Apple card.
Oh, okay.
Financing, guys, bad idea. Just buy that shit. Pay it once. Pay once, cry once.
Paying the interest on it for a year.
Exactly. I'm not a financial advisor. Don't take my advice, but it's $300. Like, it's not gonna.
Bro, it's all about the points. They want it for the points.
So now I can go here. Thank you, Basil. Please download and save your license key below. I'm gonna download here.
What does it say?
And I guess that's the number right there.
Yeah, that's the key for the. Copy that. Save it. Take a screenshot. So you don't lose that.
Okay, so BMW 335 Coupe. It's got 306 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed automatic gearbox. Go out here, select that, and then flash this car.
Yeah, flash it, bro. Alright, what was stage 4 again? I haven't done this in years.
You did stage 3 on your car.
They didn't have stage 4 back then. Let me see stage 4.
So, I mean, I don't mind doing stage 3.
Look at the info.
Stage 4.
Okay, so we found out that stage 3 and stage 4, the difference is stage 4 is for track. It's more aggressive. He just wants to stop the slip. They both have the same line pressure, which is 1.3, and I think the same limitations. I think 4 is maybe a little bit faster or something.
A little more aggressive, which is not really necessary. I mean, it's just street driving.
Oh, you know what? I remember reading an update about this years ago. I think what it does is it holds the RPM higher. He doesn't want any of that. We're going stage 3.
Whatever, stage 3, and then there's a new version that was updated in October of 23. It's like, I think 3.2. I'm honestly clicking way too fast. This was
just press the button.
So I'm just gonna start the flash.
Let's see how it goes.
See how it goes. So we'll start the process. It's extremely important. I'm press OK. We don't got time for that. I just wanna...
Extremely important. I need to get this done. All right, so brief thing. You want to keep the windows down. You don't want to open the doors when you do any of this stuff.
Doing something.
You want to keep it on stage 2. Don't open any. Don't touch any. Basically, don't do anything.
Stage 2, bro. You want to put an accessory mode.
Accessory stage 2, right?
It's accessory mode.
Whatever. MHD, man.
And now
stage 2.
It's flashing. It's actually going quite fast. It's a lot quicker with these Wi-Fi's than it is with like an old school CAN cable.
Yeah, you remember my old video? It took it was literally like an hour flash
process. Back in the days of Android tablets before the whole... These cars have honestly came a long way from what they used to be. Like we used to sit here with Samsung tablets and Samsung phones because you could never do anything with iOS.
And none of it was even wireless.
Everybody was carrying an Android. Like all the Apple guys were forced to buy iPhone, or not iPhones. All the iPhone guys were forced to get Samsung tablets or Samsung like phones. Or he had to be different. Got a fancy Sony, Xperia Z. Not a shameless plug, but back when every phone used to be different.
I still have that phone, right?
Unpopular opinion.
That's like 10 years ago.
That's a relic. That's a relic.
No, I still have it. It still works. Like Android 4.
It's gonna look something like this. I'm not sure if it's gonna focus, but this looks like you're doing the right thing. To continue.
All right.
So it says please turn off ignition to continue.
Now you turn off the ignition. Listen to what it tells you, man. You can open the door, I think. But okay.
No risks. Wait 9 seconds, 8 before turning on the ignition again.
Bro's about to have quick shift.
It's telling me don't forget, keep your seatbelt fastened. Don't turn off. Please turn your ignition on again to continue.
You can get in the car now.
Clearing fault codes. Dude, that thing missed every time, bro. Like, come on, dude. Why are you camera shy?
You've made it excited.
It works when it's not on camera. The camera comes on and it doesn't work.
No,
I got a TikTok of that working, and guess what, bro? Both cup holders. Great success!
Okay. So we now have good map. Now you have to go to MHD and reflash. Because I don't know what flash they put on this thing. What flash did they put on this?
I don't know. I need an MHD login. I need an account.
Yeah, you gotta make one. All right, so he's gonna make.
Can I pee?
Yeah, you can pee.
Can I turn off the car now, or can I turn it on and see if the thing went through? XHP, right?
Yeah, it went through.
But can I turn it on? Or
yeah, you can turn. No, you're done. I mean, you can technically drive it. It's just it might still slip unless you put the MHD right. Oh, it didn't need to say that, right? By the way, now if you paddle shift or use the shift on the thing, it won't auto shift no matter what. All right, so Basil went to relieve himself between the XHP and MHD flash. I guess he couldn't hold anymore. So we went to the 7th floor, and I guess I'll give you a quick explanation of why he's doing this. So he had pure turbos put on like a year ago, and I told him to get XHP so he doesn't blow up his transmission or get it slipping. But the problem with that is because the people who put the turbos on also tuned it for him. So it's very fast, but it has those limitations on the torque output from the ECU to the TCU. So the TCU thinks it's making a lot less power, so it can't use the right line pressure. So that's the main problem with it. And that's why we're now retuning XHP to unlock the amount of unlock the torque limit. And then MHD again to know that it doesn't have to lie about the torque, so he can actually have the right line pressure and no more slipping. So some dude moved.
Go on a test drive and make sure the flash works. I guess it turned it into this.
It's probably faster.
God, dude, it's a warp line.
Yeah, somebody moved in with a Cybertruck, and we just, every time I drive by it, I just like poke fun at it. Just remember that Hoovy video that he did with his that's leaking and stuff. Now everybody's saying it rusts. It's just so funny. All right, so you got a flash. So go back. Let me show them everybody. So first thing you're gonna do is when you're connected and you have your account set up, you do flash a map, and the newest one I'm sure is probably the best, maybe. What octane fuel you want to put? 93 or 95? 93 is good.
Stage 1, stage 2.
Yeah, let's put 93. You know it has where you can now do like JB4 thing where you can map switch on demand. You know that?
I didn't, but
If you buy the super license, it's called. It's like something like JB4 where you can control what map you're on the fly.
MHD multi-map, and then what's this? Transmission? Oh. So auto AT with XHP.
See, this is what you want. That's why we're reflashing it. This takes away the torque limit, so the DME doesn't lie to the TCU anymore.
And then that's octane and RON.
That's the best one. I'll do that. Yeah, there you go. Get out of the, obtain the license. You need the license. So we have a little bit of a problem. He went to purchase the license and he got declined. What happened? The fraud department called him and was like, somebody's making an illicit charge on your account, and now he's sitting on the phone right there. Look at him. He's like talking to the fraud department.
You know, Apple Pay makes the transaction faster, and MHD tuning makes the car faster. Let's go. Thank you. Okay, I'm trying it right now. It's still not going through. No.
On that note, let's go do something fun. Okay, so the options for the M2. We can tune it. We can tune it and make it fast, because right now, like, probably that's faster than this. Or we can do more suspension stuff. I have camber plates already. That's gonna be in another episode. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. I got protective film on the front, so it's cool. Oh, I never showed you guys these either. BBS's. I'm ruining a whole nother video, aren't I? Okay, that's enough. I'm not gonna show you the other stuff I've done to it. Yeah. So, do you want to tune? Do you want more suspension stuff? Do you want me to mess with the exhaust some more? Or you want to go full bolt-on? And the tune? I don't have the money for that right now, so that's not going to happen.
There was an issue processing your payment, try again, or use another payment method. And I got the same text about the fraud department. Please speak.
For the 10th time now. Okay, for the 12th try purchasing it, it finally went through.
Okay, so it sees right here, super license.
Yeah, so now you get the super. Now we do this again. Okay, we're good here. Alright.
It's a daily, dude.
Alright, so we're gonna say no. Activate anti-lag.
No.
You don't want active
I'm
anti-lag?
not blowing up my car for noises and stuff.
Allow MHD plus controls.
I want nothing extra. I just want
So this is what gives you the extra controls.
I don't want nothing extra.
It doesn't want disable automatic shut off of radio during map switching.
No, any of my tunes.
Apply linear throttle mapping. You want that? That's nice. Drives nice. Adjust throttle lag. Yes. No more throttle lag. No lag.
Hey, give me a little. Give me a little.
No, you don't want lag.
Yeah, I don't want to blow it up, bro.
It's not gonna blow it up.
I'll blow it up.
Adjust the vehicle idle RPM. No, you don't want to keep it stuck. Exhaust setup. Aftermarket downpipes. Sure. Throttle oscillation fix. That exhaust burbles. You want to make pop-ups?
I think I already had burbles on this car, so I'll do a little bit of burbles, but nothing crazy.
Okay.
Can I
max
look at this?
burbles?
No. Whoa.
We're gonna have him full racing.
Whoa.
He doesn't want max burbles. He's not a racer.
It's so regular in the middle, right? It's 1.0.
That's how many seconds. That's duration. Okay. How many seconds you want it to pop after you let off throttle? And then there's aggressiveness.
1.5.
That's how loud you want it.
And then in sport,
Sport
1.9.
1.9. Sure. Go into aggressive, make it maximum aggressive. So go pop, pop,
No,
pop.
soft. There's soft, there's soft, medium, hard.
Hard.
Soft is in the middle.
Comment down below if you want to see it with hard.
Maybe later, but for right now, we'll do soft.
All right, let's see what happens.
Right, soft or medium?
Hard, bro. Do medium. Be a cool guy.
Do medium.
We want to see the full rice. Now you'll say a long right because you don't have
Oh,
it.
that was just options.
I think
A
you're
battery charger is, what is it?
you're on stock tune. Or no, you just didn't have MHD. Yeah, they use something else to flash this. That's not MHD.
What do you mean?
When it says long right, that means there's no program on your car. You're either stock or you have some other tuning on it. It's not like MHD tune. All right, so it's done. It's a success. Turn off ignition. My man's turned off the ignition. What does it say now?
In like 30 seconds.
Okay, wait 30 seconds.
It even has a timer, I think.
Okay, wait, is it timing it?
No, right time 10:02. No.
Oh, okay, just wait 30 seconds. Not 40 seconds, 30 seconds.
Are you sure?
Yeah, you're good. All the warning lights. There you go. You don't got a check engine light anymore?
I never had a check engine light.
Oh, okay. I thought you would do it for the downpipes.
No, the car was always tuned.
Give it a rev. It sounds good.
It actually sounds different.
Yeah.
Cool, bro.
Is it louder or less loud?
Bro, the car sounds different.
How does it feel? Let's go for a drive.
That's cool.
What?
Like auto.
Yeah, it has auto rev match. There you go. That's the slip you're talking about?
It doesn't like fit.
Let's see.
It did not like that.
It did not like fourth. It felt great up until fourth.
It did not like that.
Is it in limo now?
Yeah, that's the issue I'm having. So
Oh, that
probably
gearbox is done, bro.
I don't give a shit. I'll get a new one.
You should have tuned that
500 bucks
first.
for a used one.
Look how fast it shifts, though.
Now I'm in 5th and 6th. You saw that? So
Yeah.
if I go to 4th and I let off, it automatically throws it in there. I think it's when I'm wide open throttle. But that,
Yeah,
also,
just
but that could also be. But what that could also be is now I did have mechatronics like the sleeves, the filter, the pan. I've had all that shit done. But what it could also be is maybe when the thing was getting installed, it could have been torn, or it has been some miles. It could have flattened. They could have had a defaulty.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. It has 170,000
Yeah.
miles, and you never put the right tune on it when you had the tune on the car.
Exactly, but it could be, a series of things, which is why a transmission for this car used on the high end is like $700. For like 100,000 mile transmission, you just filter everything, swap everything over, and move on.
I wonder if you can 8 HP swap these. I think you can.
You can.
You
ECT, you can manual swap.
Oh my
Jesus.
that thing is fast. That thing is fast, bro.
Jesus, dude.
Fast as shit.
Like, I've had this car for like 8 years. I've never like, and in these 8 years I've been like trying to dial it in. I've never had, at 170,000 miles, it's somewhat like perfect. Now it still has issues, like if I go wide open throttle from 4th to 5th, but I just found the way around it. It definitely did fix a lot of it, with it being more aggressive, but like,
Dude, those rev matches are way better, right? Night and day when you drive it.
dude,
They're so good.
I'll be driving around.
I told you to do this years ago, bro. This man's like... Yo, that thing is quick.
I can't tell if it's smoke was from my turbos or from my tires?
Typical N54 thought.
Jesus, dude.